Today, we're discussing the steps you need to take to book your F1 visa appointment. After watching this video, you will have all the information you need to schedule your F1 visa appointment. Hey Green Card Easy viewers! Are you excited about studying in the United States but need help navigating the F1 visa application process? Doing the research can be tedious and confusing. Don't worry, we've made it easy. The steps you need to book your F1 visa appointment are as follows. Identify the U.S. consulate or the embassy closest to you. Research appointment wait times. Complete Form DS-160. Pay the visa application fee. Schedule your visa interview. And pay the SEVIS fee. Some of you may also have to pay a reciprocity fee after receiving your F1 visas. Remember, you can start on the first two steps even if you haven't received an I-20. For the remaining steps, you will need either a physical or an electronic copy of your I-20. By the way, we highly recommend you start learning about the US financial system now. Knowing this information will be highly beneficial when you arrive in the US. Check out our finance videos. We cover topics such as how to get your social security number, bank accounts, and much more. We've left the link in the description. Now let's get back to the topic at hand and review each step in detail. Step 1. Identify the U.S. consulate or the embassy closest to you. You'll need to visit the consulate or the embassy for your visa interview, so ensure you know where it's located. Just hop on to the U.S. Department of State's website, which we've linked in the description below, to find the most convenient location for you. To find the U.S. consulate or embassy nearest you, we need to visit the U.S. Department of State's website. For your convenience, we've listed the links on our webpage, which we've listed in the description. So let's click on the U.S. Department of State's website. That will take us to usembassy.gov. On this page, you can find various U.S. embassies, consulates, and other offices located in your country. For example, we will search for U.S. embassies and consulates located in India. We have two options. We can either type in the country name in this box, or we can find the country. In this case, we can click on I, which should bring up all the countries with I. We've located India. Let's click on it. That'll bring up India's page. And as you can see, the different embassies and consulate generals are listed on this page. You can look through them and see which one meets your need. You can go visit any consulate really in your country. And it's as easy as that. Step 2. Research the appointment wait times. This is crucial because wait times can vary depending on the consulate or the embassy and the time of the year. To avoid any last-minute stress, be sure to check the current wait times on the U.S. Department of State's website, which is also in the description. To check the appointment wait time, let's click on the link. As you can see, it brings us to a page with visa appointment wait times. You can scroll down a little bit till you select a U.S. embassy or consulate. You can enter the city name. In our case, we will enter Mumbai. And then as you can see, when we select it, it'll bring up the wait times for different visa types. In our case, we're looking for the F visa, which currently is indicated at 66 calendar days. Similarly, you can select a different city. Let's do New Delhi, and then it will change and bring up the wait times in New Delhi, which is 67 days in our case. Step 3. Complete Form DS-160. DS-160 is your online non-immigrant visa application form. Head to the Consular Electronic Application Center website to complete the form. Take your time to ensure all the information you provide is accurate and up to date. After you submit the form, you'll receive a confirmation page with a barcode. Make sure to print and save these for your records. In our next video, we will take you step by step through completing Form DS-160. If you don't want to miss it, subscribe to our channel and turn on all notifications. To fill out Form DS-160, we need to visit the Consulate Electronic Application Center website. For your convenience, we've listed the link on our website. So let's click on it, which will bring you to the Consulate Electronic Application Center page, where you can then locate the DS-160 link, click on it, which will bring you to this page, which says Online Non-Immigrant Visa Application DS-160. Once on this page, you can select your location where you'll be applying for this visa, enter the CAPTCHA, and then start a new application. Step 4. Pay the visa application fee. Step 4 is all about the money, paying your visa application fee. The fee for F1 visa is currently $160, but make sure to double check for any updates. Depending on your country's payment options, you can pay the fee online or at a designated bank. Keep the payment receipt safe as you'll need it for your visa interview. Step 5. Schedule your visa interview. We're almost there. Step 5 is scheduling your visa interview. Once you've paid the application fee and completed your DS-160 form, you're ready to schedule your visa interview. You can do this through the U.S. Department of State's website. You'll create an account, enter your DS-160 confirmation number, and choose an available appointment slot. It's a good idea to schedule your appointment as soon as possible to ensure you have ample time to prepare for the interview and complete any additional requirements. To schedule your visa interview, you need to visit the U.S. Department of State's website. The link that we've provided on our website brings you to the U.S. Travel Docs page. As you can see, it asks you to choose your location. For our example, we had chosen India, so we'll visit India's page. The one thing you'll notice once you're on a local country's page, it should indicate what page it's on, including the country name. Depending on your country, this page may look different, but the key thing here is to choose a visa category that is a non-immigrant visa type, because F1 visa is a non-immigrant visa. Once you visit that link, you should be taken to another page. This again may look different depending on your country, but what you need to do is locate the non-immigrant visa applicants page, and then you can click on login button, which should bring you to a page to apply for the US visa. If you're a new user, go ahead and select the new user link, and then it should allow you to create a new registration. And once that's done, you are on your way to selecting your appointment. By the way, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We post updates and different content there, so take advantage of it. Now let's get back to the remaining steps. Step 6. Pay the SEVIS fee. SEVIS stands for Student and Exchange Visitor Information System. It's a one-time fee that funds the program, and it's currently $350 for F1 visa applicants. You can pay this fee online using the SEVIS I-901 form. Once you've paid, make sure to print the confirmation receipt as you'll need it for your visa interview. To pay the SEVIS fee, visit the SEVIS I-901 form. When you're on this page, you can click on Pay I-901 Fee, which should bring you to this page where you can then provide your information and pay the SEVIS I-901 fee. Make sure you do this at least 3 days before your visa appointment. Step 7. Reciprocity Fee. This only applies to applicants from a few countries such as Greece, Namibia, and Benin. Applicants from these countries may have to pay an additional fee after they receive their F1 visas. You can verify whether this fee applies to you or not by visiting the link we've left in the description. To determine whether you need to pay the reciprocity fee, you need to visit the U.S. Department of State's website. Once on this page, select your nation. In our example, we will select I for India. Once you're on India's page, scroll down till you see the visa classifications table, and then let's click on F for F1 visa. As you can see, F1 visa applicants do not need to pay any reciprocity fee. Now let's review for a different country. Let's select Greece. Once we're on Greece's page, we shall scroll down and look at the visa classifications table as we did before, and then let's click on F for F1 visa. Now you may see two different rows. As you can see, it differs by the validity period. For anyone who has the visa validity period of 12 months does not need to pay the fee. Those that have a validity period of 60 months need to pay a fee of $105 US. So similarly, you can visit your country's page and determine whether you need to pay the reciprocity fee or not. And there you have it, the steps you need to take to schedule your F1 visa appointment. Remember, planning and preparation are crucial to ensuring a smooth experience. Remember to double-check all the information and keep your documents organized. We're excited for you to embark on this incredible journey to study in the United States. If you follow these steps and stay organized, you'll be on your way to an amazing academic adventure in no time. Additional information such as frequently asked questions, direct links, and other exclusive content is available on our website. Registration is free and takes less than a minute to complete. We've shared the link in the description. If you have any thoughts, comments, or questions, you're welcome to leave them below. For the fastest responses, reach us directly on our website, greencardeasy.com/discussions. My name is Gaurav Musle, and from all of us at Green Card Easy, thanks for watching.